Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna be unboxing something. It's probably gonna be in the title, so yeah, I'm just gonna just cut it open. This is a very, very sharp cutter. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Alright, let's get this open then. And there you go, fully unboxed. So if you guys still don't know what this is the iPad Pro from 2018. It is the 12.9 inch, and this is the Apple Pencil second edition. Does it focus? Oh, it does. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, let's get to opening this. Hopefully none of my family members come in while I'm making this video, but they just might, so I don't care anymore. It comes with this little tab, so we're just gonna pull on that. Like so. Very nice. Let's get on to the end. Oh, okay. Hopefully I didn't open this thing upside down. Alright, let's move to this side first. Let's get it open. Okay. Give it a second. Just gotta. The iPad, just instantly, you know. Over there. Yeah. So let's take out the iPad. Put on this tab over here. Ooh, it is thin. Holy crap, that's very nice. All right, let's take this thing. Pull it off. Wow, that is really pretty. Okay, I probably should have taken these out before actually doing anything. Let's put this to the side first. And I'm pretty sure you guys are not interested in seeing all this stuff. There's like instructions and stickers designed by Apple in California. And it does come with a power brick. Well, to me it's a new design because I haven't seen this kind before. That's really cool. And it does come with a USB-C charging cable. Ta-da! USB-C, very nice. Very, very nice. You can take these stickers out if you want to. And I want to. That's it. This is right there, iPad Pro. Instructions. Oh man. They always do so well on these things, it's crazy. I actually love it. And of course it comes with a sticker. I don't know if it's like bigger or normal size, but yeah, alright. Well, okay, get these out of the way. And let's open the second product, which will come along with this thing. It's the Apple Pencil. And this does not come, oh, it does come with a pull tab, right? Here you go. 2 1. Alright, that's the pencil. It opens differently, I'm guessing. Oh, there's another pull tab here. Ah, okay, alright. That's cool. And designed by Apple in California. And there it is. Oh, wow. Wow, that is really pretty. Okay, so it's covered by this plastic thing here. Take it off. Very nice. It feels, it's matte. It's kind of rubbery. Well, it's not really rubbery, but I don't know how to explain it. It's really nice to hold. I think there was a pencil that felt like this. I just can't remember which one. But yeah, it feels really nice. Okay, so we know that this has a new charging thing, wirelessly. I know, probably late to the party, but let's get this off. Okay, if we have this iPad, we can stick the pencil right there, and it'll start charging. So let's turn the is that something that no? This camera. Let's turn it on. below. We can set it up, choose English, and we can swipe up. And wow, look at that! That's the iPad. So this is just an unboxing video. I'd say it's really nice. I'm really happy with the product. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See. Oh wait, I haven't actually shown you the Apple Pencil. All right, so the Apple Pencil, it connects like that, and I'm pretty sure it's connected already, but it's not. Oh, there you go. Okay. Do we tap it? Connect. Continue. Double tap on the Apple Pencil. All right. And does it work now? Yes, it does. And that promotion right there, that is really, really nice. Wow. Okay, you can't swipe the bar using the pencil, but I mean, you can use it like this. You can right, welcome to notes. You can. Oh. I'd say that's really, really nice. Alright, that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.